So this weekend we went out to Labertouche for a shakedown run. This was to test out the new loom and ECU that I just put in the car. Running the ECU Masters Classic ECU in it now. Whole new wiring loom, running standalone engine loom in it. I tidied up some of the accessory wiring because it was all getting a bit ratty. And then I put on some new Journey Claw 37s with some Dirty Life Mesa alloy beadlocks on it. So wanted to give them a bit of a test out. It worked pretty well, so pretty happy with it. We went out with Snowflake and the little Zook on 32s, which is probably the most capable car there, which is fairly upsetting actually. Velma, the red Vitara on 37s, and then Jimmy in the big GU on 37s as well. We had a pretty good trip, no breakages, everyone drove home. Sort of halfway, near the start of the trip, I found out that I was using my sump as a bump stop with my panhard, so I had to booty fab a block of wood to stop that hitting. But apart from that, it was all pretty successful. So yeah, have a look and see what you think.
Too far. You're on a back wheels on a little rock. Try that. Fucking dozer. Did you go that side last time?
Yeah, I got four. This one's a rough with me. Yeah, last time I got stuck up there.
Kind of getting like right on the front corner of your slider. Yeah, I don't think you're not going to do that. Your back's not going to stay up.
It's not going to come up. Can that other little rock move? They're not really too big.
This one just here?
Yeah.
Nah, it's pretty in there. What about even if you just drove like one wheel on this?
Yeah, okay.
Like at that. Yeah!
wheel speed than that, Phil. Hey? You'll need more wheel speed than that. Electric, mate. Flash. One in, down, one in.
Yep, from there and give it a fucking bit of handle.
Back or up?
Up. That was good. Just gently and see what happens. Let's winch it.
Closest one.
Go back a little bit more. Yeah. Hit it. I don't know what you did, but that was perfect. Don't go back too much. You dipped out in the back. Pretty good.